Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Honor Power. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And here you have to use volume buttons to navigate, and you have to select clear data and then press power button, and then move to factory reset and press power button again. And now you have to type in yes, and move to factory reset and press power button. And now go to back and press power button, and go to reset and press power button again. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings, and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.